Well, let's open the box and see what's inside, shall we? Kind of curious myself to see what it is, but I know it was addressed to me. Well, okay. Cool. I think I know what it is. But I'm not too sure. Sounds all rattly, so it's metal. Oh, this is cool. So this is the hitch extender for my Gator. This is who I got it from, High Toe Powerful Toe Ball Mount. If you guys are interested, I will put a link in the description, the Amazon link. I'm not too sure why the package is all dirty, like it's rusty. It's kind of got me thinking a little bit. Well, there's what it is. It's a trailer hitch extender. It's kind of loose, but I don't know if you can make adapters to take that slop up, but kind of nice thing too is I can use as a step to get in this bed to do anything. And I don't think it'll hit just like the other one. I don't think. Well, I guess I'll have to remember to take it out. I guess I just have to remember to take the thing off when I'm not using it, and I need to haul dirt or something because the tailgate will hit. At least it won't make a mark like the other trailer hitch I had. It made a pretty good mark on this thing.